Hello kids, welcome to a new interesting video. Today we will learn about farm animals. Let's see what are farm animals. Alpaca. This is alpaca. Buffalo. This is a buffalo. Banteng. This is a banteng. Cow. This is a cow. Cat. This is a cat. Chicken. This is a chicken. Camel. This is a camel. Donkey. This is a donkey. Dog. This is a dog. Duck. This is a duck. Emu. This is emu. Goat. This is a goat. Gayal. This is a gayal. Guinea pig. This is a guinea pig. Goose. This is a goose. Horse. This is a horse. Honeybee. This is a honeybee. Llama. This is a llama. Pig. This is a pig. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. Sheep. This is a sheep. Silkworm. This is a silkworm. Turkey. This is a turkey. Yak. This is a yak. Zebu. This is a zebu. Thank you for watching, children. Let's meet in another interesting video. Bye bye.